Many students fail mathematics questions not because they don't know how to solve such problems, but due to overconfidence. You have to always stay calm, observe and understand that question first before you start solving. I posted this question on, was it Facebook or YouTube? Yeah, on both platforms. But to my surprise, so many people failed this question. I said if 3 times x plus 4 is 21, then find x factorial. I don't mean to find x. So many people were finding x, which is equal to 3. But 3 is not the solution, rather 6. Let me show you. This is what we have, 3 multiplied by x plus 4, which is equal to 21. I don't recommend expanding the bracket. Instead, divide both sides by 3. Says 3 is a factor of 21. If you do so, you have x plus 4 to the left after dividing by 3. If you divide this by 3, you have 7, right? You can do mental math here. What can be added to 4 to get 7? Definitely 3. So x is 3, but what I asked you to find is what? X factorial, which is 3 factorial. So therefore, x factorial should be 3 factorial, and 3 factorial implies what? 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. Therefore, x factorial is 6. That is what I asked you to find, not x.